Hey there, seekers of transformation and positive energy. Are you ready to unlock the hidden potential within yourself using a simple yet profound ritual? Get ready to immerse yourself in the magic of vinegar and experience a shift in energy that will elevate every aspect of your life. Wash your feet with vinegar and prepare to witness the extraordinary unfold before your eyes. This isn't just about cleansing your feet, it's about cleansing your spirit, revitalizing your energy, and opening the doors to abundance. Stick around because today we're diving deep into the ancient wisdom of vinegar and its transformative power. Welcome back, my fellow adventurers on the path of self-discovery. Today, we're embarking on a journey that will take us back through the annals of time, tapping into the ancient wisdom of civilizations past to unlock the secrets of vitality, prosperity, and spiritual renewal. But before we begin, let me ask you this. Have you ever stopped to ponder the remarkable history of vinegar? It's not just a condiment or a cleaning agent. It's a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and profound healing. Think about it. Vinegar has been a staple in human culture for thousands of years. From the earliest civilizations to modern times, vinegar has played a pivotal role in culinary arts, medicine, and even spiritual practices. But what if I told you that vinegar holds a deeper, more mystical power, a power that, when harnessed correctly, can bring about profound shifts in energy, mindset, and well-being? Today, we're going to explore the ancient roots of vinegar, uncovering its rich history and tapping into its transformative potential. We'll delve into the science behind its healing properties, the wisdom of ancient civilizations, and the practical applications that can help you unlock a new level of vitality and abundance in your life. So grab a seat, open your mind, and get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery unlike any other. Take a moment to contemplate the earth beneath your feet, not merely as an inert mass, but as a living, breathing entity pulsating with dynamic energy. This cosmic force, often referred to as Earth's soul or TC energy, weaves its way through the very fabric of our existence in a silent yet profound symphony. Echoing through the annals of time, ancient teachings and diverse cultures have revered the earth for its inherent ability to heal, with the simple act of connecting with the ground believed to instigate transformative effects on the human spirit. In this intricate dance of energy exchange, our feet, regrettably overshadowed in their significance, emerge as vital conduits to this universal energy flow. Today, we embark on a journey that goes beyond the ordinary, a journey to unlock the latent power within your feet, intricately integrating it into a reprogramming exercise entwined with the mystical properties of vinegar. Before we immerse ourselves in this alchemical odyssey, let's carve out a sacred space for our minds and spirits. Seek refuge in a tranquil corner, allowing the serenity to wash over you. In this moment of serene calmness, affirm your intrinsic significance by uttering the words, "I am blessed." Now, gather the tools for this sacred alchemical practice: a basin, white vinegar, a glass jar, coarse salt, and whole peppercorns. The alchemical process commences as you meticulously combine vinegar, salt, and pepper, allowing this potent elixir to rest quietly within a jar for an entire week. As the days unfold, the magic within intensifies, setting the stage for a ritual that promises to leave an indelible mark on the very essence of your energy. When the cosmic energies align, and the celestial clock deems it the opportune moment, seek out a haven for what we shall christen as the feet-soaking ceremony. Disconnect from the cacophony of the outside world by silencing your phone and immerse your feet in a vessel of warm water infused with the alchemical concoction of vinegar, salt, and pepper. As your feet luxuriate in this sacred elixir, a powerful affirmation reverberates through the caverns of your being. Everything is okay. I am within myself. The vinegar will do its part. Thank you, thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart because I feel renewed. Embrace gratitude even before witnessing the tangible results, a timeless wisdom handed down by the venerable masters. Pause to marvel at the intricate dance between the myriad nerves and blood vessels in your feet, rendering them simultaneously sensitive and potent. Through this intricate sensory network, your feet tap into the boundless energy of the earth, grounding you in a strength that transcends the mere physical realm. This seemingly humble ritual, when executed with unwavering focus and calm intent, possesses the potential to be a transformative force, a ritual that transcends time and culture, echoing the ancient wisdom of civilizations past. As we embark on this profound journey, remember the ageless power of belief and gratitude, for within these sentiments lies the key to unlocking the extraordinary potential residing within the depths of your being. The earth's energy flows through you, and through the alchemy of vinegar and the sacred feet soaking ceremony, you stand poised to harmonize with the cosmic rhythms, awakening to the symphony of your own transformative journey. This journey goes beyond the boundaries of time, weaving together the threads of ancient practices and contemporary wisdom to offer you a profound tapestry of self-discovery and renewal. May you embrace this transformative odyssey with open arms and a heart full of gratitude. In the tapestry of existence, we've unveiled the intricate dance between the earth's energy and the often overlooked power within our feet. Through the alchemical ritual of vinegar, we've tapped into ancient wisdom, reprogramming our essence and harmonizing with the cosmic rhythms. As we conclude this transformative journey, remember that your connection to the earth's energy is an ever-present force, a source of renewal that transcends time. Embrace the power within, for it is through this connection that you can navigate the currents of life with resilience, vitality, and gratitude. As we bid farewell to this profound exploration, I encourage you to carry the wisdom gained into your daily life. Allow the magic of vinegar and the sacred feet soaking ceremony to be a guiding light on your path of self-discovery and renewal. If you found value in this journey, share it with others who may benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more transformative content. Your journey to unlock the extraordinary potential within has just begun. Until next time, may your steps be grounded, your spirit renewed, and your heart filled with gratitude. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure.